Um, Good afternoon. I'm actually about making a video on how to replace a screen on Medion. The Jamal tablet called Medion. I'm going to show you that what it looks like in a minute. Um, it's called Medion, and the model is MD99282. And the MSN is 300-19093. So once again, is Medion tablet PC Medion Lifetab S10346. Once again, is Medion tablet PC Medion Lifetab S10346. MD99282. So anybody that's got this kind of version of Medium tablet, you can follow the process for the screen and the LCD replacement. But anything apart from that number I just gave you, the model number, I'll just suggest you go and look for how to replace that apart from what I just gave you. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna just turn my camera around. All right. Okay, just gonna show you. This is what it looks like. And okay.